Good morning, students. Hope you are all well at home, safe and secure, and attentive to study. Now, your topic of study today is lesson number 5, English 2, the students of class 4. Listen to me attentively. What I say and what I present before you. It's a very, very interesting topic. It should be mentioned as a small story, little story, but the author has written it in a dramatic form. So it is a little drama or play. The name of the topic is Tom Paints a Fence. Tom একটা দেওয়াল বা কাঠের তৈরি বেড়াকে রং করে। There are two main characters. One is Tom, a naughty boy, a lazy boy, a wicked boy who avoids to do any work, but do like to do works like him with himself as he likes. And Aunt Polly always directs him to guide to the right way. On a holiday morning, Aunt Polly comes to Tom. Tom, you have a holiday. I give you an important work to do. There is a fence in front of our house, beside the house. It is made of wood. You have to paint it. Go and paint it. Tom had planned earlier to do something to relax or do like himself. But he has no courage, he has no any boldness to oppose his aunt Polly. He takes from her Aunt Polly a color bucket and a brush, and she goes away. I am telling you the story in my own words, but if you go through the story, you can find another word. It is just substance. Tom starts painting with great disagreement, without interest. After some time, his friend Ben comes, asks, "What are you doing, Tom, in such a holiday?" Tom says, "Don't think it is a work, it is a skill. Not also painting fence is not a work, but it is a special skill, and it should be done in a playing mood. Nobody can do it, and even you cannot do it." Ben takes the challenge. Why? Cannot play the game? Give me the brush. I shall do it. I shall do painting. Tom rejects his proposal. No, you can't do. But Ben takes away the brush from him and starts painting. Instead, Ben gives him an apple, and Tom starts to chew it and eat it. Relaxed mood. In a relaxed mood, in a smiling face. It was Tom's plan to sit idle and do others, to allow others to do work. When Ben continues his painting, then his next friend comes to him. Ben, what are you doing on such a holiday? Ben tells him, like Tom, it is a special skill. You cannot do it. By the same way, he takes away the color brush from Ben and starts painting. Instead, he offers some marbles as gift. So Tom finds an apple and some marbles and starts getting relaxed. After some time, one of his friends, Johnny, comes. Seeing the painting work, he says, "Let me give the brush, I shall do it." By the same way, Tom says, It is not a word, but it is a special skill. It should be done in a playing mood. It is a play. No, everybody cannot play like this game. Johnny takes the challenge. Johnny and starts brushing up the fence. Thus, the day passed. Tom gets relaxed, and the work of painting is finished. In the afternoon, when Aunt Polly comes, he sees and astonished to see how Tom has done all the work as a lazy boy, as an idle. Tom gets the credit, all credits himself that he has done all the work, but he has done the work of painting with the help of his friends. It is the funny story. Tom paints a fence. Tom paints a fence a little, but much more a fence at dark. This is the funny story. Dear students, see the special word notes here written in the blackboard for you. Fence, it is a noun form. It means surrounding barrier or wall of a garden or a house. একে বলে বাংলায় বলে বেড়া. Relax, it is verb form. Taking rest and enjoy. আয়েশ করা, আরাম করা, উপভোগ করা. Quietly, it is an adverb form. Calmly, শান্তভাবে. Forget, it is verb form. You have to remember, that means ভুলে যাওয়া. Sigh, it is verb form. Deeply breathing out, দীর্ঘশ্বাস ফেলা. Merrily, adverb, it means joyfully, আনন্দের সঙ্গে. Skill, it is a noun form. It is working experience or talent. একেবারে কাজের দক্ষতা, কোনো কাজের দক্ষতা স্কিল. Plead, it is verb form. It means appeal, মানে আবেদন করা বা কোনো কিছু করতে বলা. There are some more word meanings. Word notes. Munch, it is verb form. It means chewing, as we munch chocolates. Proudly, adverb. It means with vanity, গর্ব সহকারে, একটু দেমাগ অহংকার নিয়ে গর্ব করে. Perhaps, it is an adverb form. Probably, সম্ভবত বা হয়তো. Frank, it is verb form. To do something with fun. One pranks means I like to make fun with others, but not doing any harm to others. I make fun with others, but I have no intention to do harm others. That means to do something with fun. Dear students, we should at first read the drama or play at first and capture the word meanings, write in your exercise book, and read them once, twice or thrice until you can understand the entire subject matter. I think you must find interest in reading the story, reading the play. So write the word notes in your exercise book. Dear kids, now the questions and answers. I am reading before you the questions. The first, number 1, from writing verb. What did Tom tell Johnny? Tom Johnny কে কি বলেছিল? The answer is Tom told Billy Dear students, Now the questions and answers before you. Question number 1. What did Tom tell Johnny? Tom Johnny কে কি বলেছিল? The real answer should be Tom told nothing to Johnny. Tom Johnny কে কিছু বলেনি. Tom told Billy to give the brush to Johnny. Tom বলেছিল বিলিকে জনিকে ব্রাশটা দিয়ে দিতে. It is a correction form. You must correct it. That means you should add a sentence before answer number 1. The answer should be Tom told nothing to Johnny. Tom জনিকে সরাসরি কিছু বলেনি. Tom told Billy to give the brush to Johnny. Tom বিলিকে বলেছিল জনিকে ব্রাশটা দিয়ে দিতে. Now question number 2. What did Tom get in exchange for letting Ben, Billy and Johnny paint the fence? Tom got an apple from Ben, some marbles from Billy and a football from Johnny. Question number 3. Did the boys guess that they were actually working? The answer is the boys did not guess that they were working, but they were playing a game. Question number 4. What thought made Tom happy? Tom's plan was working well. This thought made Tom happy. Question number 5. What idea did Tom have to make Ben and Billy paint the fence well? Painting is a skillful game. Only Tom can do it. This idea made Ben and Billy painting the fence. Now come on to MCQs, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Aunt Polly, I want you to paint the fence. The answer is fence. Question number 2. Ben, Tom, would you not like to come and play? The answer would be the play. Question number 3. Tom, well, I suppose you could try. Here, take the brush. The answer is brush. Question number 4. Billy, I will give you this. The answer is apples. Question number 4. Question number 4. Billy, I will give you this. The answer with the marbles. This is the correct answer.
Here you can see the question answers of question number 1. What did Tom tell Johnny? What did Tom get in exchange for letting Ben, Billy and Johnny paint the fence? Question number 3. Did the boy guess that they were actually working? Question number 4. What thought made Tom happy? Question number 5. What idea did Tom have to make Ben and Billy paint the fence well? So here are the 5 questions. Now you will get the answers in the paper. So as I said you the questions, here are the answers. Answers number 1. Tom told nothing to Johnny. Tom told Billy to give the brush to Johnny. Answer number 2. Tom got an apple from Ben, some marbles from Billy and a football from Johnny. Answers number 3. The boys did not guess that they were working, but they were playing a game. Answer number 4. Tom's plan was working well. This thought made Tom happy. Question number 5. Answers. Painting is a skillful game. Only Tom can do it. This idea made Ben and Billy painting the fence. Here are the answers for the questions answers. Now moving to the MCQ questions. You can see after the question answers there is MCQ. So here are the answers. For 1 number answer will be fence, 2 number play, 3 number brush and 4 number marbles. So as we are directing you, whatever we have said to you, write all the question answers in your copy and memorize it properly.
Dear boys and girls, I have expressed before you everything. I have gone through the play, expressed the meaning, giving you the word notes and all the questions and answers. You should study, you should write at first in your exercise book very clearly, then start reading the story or play and the questions, answers and everything attentively, so that you can write the answers in the examination or exam papers well. You must think, you must understand that you should take preparation for examination. Okay, read attentively. And now the moral of the story. The moral of the story is not to be lazy. If one be lazy, he will certainly fall behind. So avoid laziness or idleness and have to do your duty. If you do your duty, you must proceed on, you must develop, you must prosper yourself. This is the moral of the story. Not to do any naughtiness or laziness or idleness, but have to do your work. This is the way to success. Thank you. No more today. Stay safe at home, boys and girls.